In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Disney Plus quality. So if Disney Plus is streaming in low quality, whether that means it's blurry, maybe it's not in HD or not in 4K, here are the most common fixes. Number one is to check your internet speed. So what you need to do is you need to make sure that you have a stable and clear internet connection. So unfortunately, nothing is going to work if you don't have a good Wi-Fi connection. So what I'm going to let you guys do is try to unplug your router for around a minute or so, and then plug it back in. And obviously, sometimes it could be due to Wi-Fi outages, depending on your service provider and stuff like that. So you always want to keep that in mind because that could also be playing a factor. Now, sometimes this could be an issue with the Disney Plus settings, and this is primarily geared towards people who are on the mobile device. So if you're on a mobile device, go ahead and press on your profile picture. Then you want to select on app settings. Then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and actually change it over here to where it says automatic stream in the highest quality available. But what could be happening is that you have it set to this where it says save data and not automatic. So make sure that it says automatic right over here, and that is going to allow you to actually get up to 4K quality. So if you put it over onto like moderate, you're only going to get HD quality, and even worse if you go to save data. So this is definitely another setting that you want to go ahead and take a look at. Of course, make sure that you do use a supported browser. So for the best quality, use Microsoft Edge or Safari. I know it's a little bit hypocritical because I'm using Google Chrome, but just keep that in mind. If you want to get the best results, try using something like Microsoft Edge. And if you want to watch Disney Plus on a Mac, go ahead and use Safari. All right. And if possible, I highly suggest that you go ahead and use Ethernet. So a wired Ethernet connection is usually more stable than Wi-Fi, especially for 4K streaming. A Ethernet is basically a cable that connects to your PC or your device. It could also be like a TV, by the way. And then it connects the other end to the router. And instead of like the Wi-Fi, like going through the waves of your home, it's just like a wired connection. And therefore, it's instantaneously. You don't have to wait for anything or something like that. So that's just something that I want to keep in mind. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.